Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a dish made by the female chef at our hotel who earns a monthly salary of 30,000. After our head chef made this dish, the boss couldn't stop praising it and decided to price it at 38 yuan. Today I'm going to share the detailed recipe with you. First, we prepare a green eggplant and cut off both ends with a knife. Then use a peeler to remove the skin. If you don't have green eggplant, you can also use purple eggplant. After peeling, make a cut first and place the cut side down to prevent it from rolling, then slice the eggplant into pieces about 1.5 centimeters thick. Next, cut them into long strips. Finally, carefully dice them into small, evenly sized cubes, and then put the chopped eggplant into a bowl. Add a generous spoonful of salt, a little bit of white vinegar, and then pour in enough water to completely cover the eggplant. Soak the eggplant in the salt water. This helps prevent it from oxidizing and turning black. Soaked eggplant not only stays fresh and vibrant, but also loses its bitterness. Mix everything well by hand and set it aside for now. Next, let's make a sauce. In a bowl, add a spoonful of sugar, about half a spoonful of white vinegar, a spoonful of ketchup, and a little salt. Stir everything together thoroughly with a spoon. You can always adjust the amount of sugar and vinegar to suit your taste. Now our sweet and sour sauce is ready. It's perfect for dishes like sweet and sour pork or sweet and sour fish. Once you learn this, you'll never need to buy sweet and sour sauce again. Now the eggplant is done soaking, so take it out and drain off the water. Don't squeeze the eggplant by hand, or it will lose its shape. After draining off the water, put the eggplant into a large bowl, then add an appropriate amount of cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use potato starch instead. Mix well by hand so that the eggplant is evenly coated with the starch. Once it's thoroughly mixed and looks like this, it's ready to use. Heat oil in a pan until it's about 60% hot, then carefully add the eggplant. When frying eggplant, the oil temperature must be high enough so the eggplant doesn't absorb too much oil. After adding the eggplant, turn the heat to medium and fry until the pieces hold their shape. Gently stir with a spoon to ensure the eggplant heats evenly. Fry the eggplant until it's cooked through and the surface is golden and crispy, then it's ready. Once fried, remove the eggplant and let the excess oil drain off. Let's listen to the sound. This eggplant is already fried to a very crispy texture. Next, pour the prepared sweet and sour sauce into the pan. Then, turn the heat to medium, and keep stirring with a spoon. Stir to fully blend the flavors of the sugar, vinegar, and ketchup. Simmer until the sauce becomes thick and sticky. When you see dense small bubbles forming, scoop out a spoonful of the sweet and sour sauce first. Then add the fried eggplant cubes. Pour the reserved sweet and sour sauce over them, and quickly stir fry everything so the eggplant is evenly coated with the sauce. That's it, it's done. Take it out of the pan and plate it. At home, if you have the ingredients, you can sprinkle a little more on top. Black sesame seeds, and with that, our sweet and sour eggplant is finished. When you eat it, it's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, with a sweet and tangy flavor. Kids especially love it, and the best part is, it's really simple to make, appetizing, and satisfying. If you like it, be sure to save the recipe and give it a try.